Hi, boys and girls. I just wanted to check in with you on the word problems that I'm assigning and see how you're doing with those. So these were from Monday, and let's see if we figured out if you did the right operation and if you got the correct answer. So number 1, Jay works at a sandwich shop. He needs to make 7 turkey sandwiches. Each sandwich will have 1/3 of a pound of turkey. How many pounds of turkey will Jay need to make the sandwiches? Well, I'm going to go through and say, I'll underline this, 7 turkey sandwiches. Each sandwich will have 1/3 of a pound of turkey. I know that means I'm going to multiply. So my 7 turkey sandwiches times 1/3 a pound of turkey each. All right. So here I have a whole number times a fraction. So I hope that when you did this problem, you remembered that you need to put your whole number over 1 because 7 over 1 is the same as 7, right? And then when we multiply, we're not going to worry about our denominators. They don't need to be the same. We're going to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 7 times 1 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. So we need to find out how many pounds of turkey. I don't think that we can go into a deli and order 7/3 pounds of turkey. And I hope that you were singing when you did this. And I wanted to hear improper fraction, division's your action. So let's do 7 divided by 3, 2, 6, 1. Okay, my quotient becomes my whole number. I have 2 and 1/3 pounds of turkey. I hope you had that label on there. Okay, let's move our paper up and let's look at the second problem. Mrs. Jade is baking 9 cakes for a bake sale. The cake recipe calls for 3/8 cup of sugar for each cake. How many cups of sugar will she need in all? So just like on the last one, I kind of like to go and I like to underline 9 cakes, 3/8 cup of sugar for each cake. Ooh, multiplying again. So I have 9. Oh no, my phone. Technical difficulty, but the math is still okay. 9 times 3/8 equals, okay. So whole number turns into a fraction over 1 times 3/8. 9 times 3 is 27. 1 times 8 is 8. Improper fraction, division's your action. So I'm dividing this. 8 goes into 27 3 times. 24, 3. I end up with 3 and 3/8 cups or cups of sugar. Something I want you to think about is what if I would have got this answer? What if I got 3 and 4/8? That the math worked out, my division was right. What would I need to do here to make this a correct answer? Think about it for a second. And if you said this would need to be reduced, you are right. So again, this is the answer. This is the correct answer. But had we got something where our greatest common factor was more than 1, you would have need to reduce before you put your label on. So for me, 3 and 8, they don't share any common factors, right? The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Nothing in common. This is good to know. So let me know. Did you get these right? Do you need help with anything? Have a good afternoon.